Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use egg yolk to turn thin hair to thick, and to turn unhealthy hair to healthy hair, and to turn to stop split ends and to repair your scalp. It's gonna stop itchy scalp. Yeah, so if you want to know what all of this ingredients comprises, please to continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And let me take you right into this video. To turn thin hair to a very thick hair, you will be needing to use egg, and in this we're going to be making use of the egg yolk. Now this is actually one ingredient that helps so much to repair the scalp. It works wonders in rejuvenating and making the scalp look healthy, and it's also a nice and a very great ingredient that stops split ends, makes the hair dark, mixing it with hair darkening remedy, and it's also a nice hair conditioner. What we're going to do is that we're going to be breaking open the egg, because we're going to break open the egg, because we are going to be extracting just the egg yolk. Alright, so I will now have to mix it, okay? And after that, we're going to be making use of onion. Now, onion is a great hair remedy. It triggers hair growth, it stops split end, it repair the scalp, and it also stops dandruff. Onion is a great remedy that works wonders in making your hair grow really long. And this is how we're going to be preparing it, guys. Okay, we're going to be removing the dry parts. So we're going to be creating it, and if you don't want to create yours, you can as well just blend it, okay? It's actually even easy to blend. It's actually going to bring out enough juice, but creating it also helps. And to me, it is actually simple to create, and it is recommended you use a red onion, because the red onion is actually very strong. The effect is going to be massive on your hair, okay? So after creating it, then we'll have to be sieving out the juice, and I would love to put in just a little bit of water, and then get a strainer and sieve out the juice. I recommend you use a red onion, guys, okay? Because there are white onion and there are red onion. So after sieving it, this is what we have here. and this is it. Now we're also gonna be making use of garlic. Now garlic is a necessary remedy for the hair because it triggers hair growth. It also stops split ends and it makes the hair grow really fast. Okay, it makes the hair grow dark and really thick. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to beat it open just like this. That's actually the simplest way to open up garlic. And now we would open it as simple as that. Be looking at it. This is making you to cry. So here are the garlic. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be grating it. So I'm also going to be putting just a little bit of water into this garlic and turn it, and then I will be sieving it out also. So here is the garlic juice, onion juice, and egg yolk. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be turning this and then we would have to give it a stir. Now after mixing this, we'll also be needing to use coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great moisturizing remedy that helps to grow the hair. It makes your hair full, it stops split ends, it makes your hair really thick, and it repairs your scalp, that if you're having dandruff. Now I'm actually going to be putting, now for these guys, you can actually put much of coconut oil. You can put about 1 tablespoon in this treatment and it's going to be superb. Okay, you're going to be getting a container and then we're going to turn this into the container, and then wherever you want to use it, you shake it. Okay, so you would have to turn it onto your hair and then you would rub it. I'm sorry, I would have to use my hand right now to illustrate this. Okay, you turn it into your hands, into your hair. Now it has to be in your hair scalp, okay, down below your hair scalp, and then you rub this really well. So after you've applied this, then you would have to use a shower cap, and then use a shower cap on your head and let this ingredients go right deep into your hair and do the job for you. So you can actually put this in a refrigerator. Now for the sake of the egg yolk, it's actually not going to stay for so long, but of course it's something that you have to make a little and use it once in a week or once in 2 weeks. This remedy is going to be superb. Yeah, all right, so you put it in your hair and you put a shower cap on it, and then you leave it for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, then you wash it. You use a very soft and mild conditioner to wash this all off, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it, guys. Use this and turn your thin hair to thick, and it's just going to help you so much. Okay, be consistent in it. Just do as I say, just like I instructed. Yeah, you know, when you apply it, then you use a shower cap to just cover it up, and then let the heat, you know, get into your scalp, and then that's when it's going to be working. It's just going to remove all of those, you know, stuff going on your scalp and on your hair. Okay, and it's gonna make your hair grow really fast. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye, guys.